Ayan, si Caro. Pinifix niya. Kuya Tyler is there. Okay, just a typical hotel. Finally, may bidet dito sa Godauri. Anong hotel to me? Western? Western Plus? So, outside, yan ang heater. Kaya hindi malamig sa loob. Pero paglabas mo, dyan, it's freezing cold. See? Oh, see? Oh, yan. Medyo madilim pa lang. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. So, the situation is like that pa. It's freezing cold. Let's get inside. So, ito po yung accommodation namin. Hotel. Nice. Nag-ilis man ka dami. Nagsapaw-sapaw naman ka.
Here. Third layer.
Yeah. So, yun lang. Pakita lang namin yung raw video sa hotel namin dito sa Godauri. Say hi, Tyler. Say hi, me.
Hi.
Bye-bye.